The Daily Bonus plugin is a powerful way to increase sales and activity at your site. And what this plugin does is every day that a member logs in, they get a special bonus added to their account. So I've got this installed on Tezers, and when a member logs in, they'll see this page, and it'll tell them what their bonus is. So when I logged in today, I got 39 pod points. Now this page, you can fully customize it, so you can change the text, and you can even change the colors and the images to match the theme of your site. But since on Tezers I'm only giving out pod points, I've added some text here reminding them to log in tomorrow to get another bonus, and then I've added a link where they can learn more about pod points or they can go into their account. Now on the admin side, you'll see a section for each of your membership levels. So you could give different bonuses to your free members and then another set of bonuses to your upgraded members. And you can give them, it doesn't have to be pod points, it could also be credits, banner impressions, text impressions, or if you have our Square Banners and Mini Branders plugins installed, you could give those out as well. So let's say for free members, I want to give them credits, and I want to give them between 1 and 3 credits. So now every day when free members log in, they'll get a bonus, and it might be 1 credit, it might be 2 credits, it might be 3 credits. It'll be somewhere between the minimum and maximum bonus that you've specified here. Now I could give a different bonus to my silver members. I could double it. I could give them between 2 and 6 credits. And now this gives me another benefit to sell my upgraded membership. I could say if you upgrade, your daily bonus will be doubled. So you'll get double the credits just for logging in every day. Now I could also add multiple bonuses to one membership level. So let's say I want to add in some banners. And I want to give them between 5 and 10 banner impressions. Now if I've added multiple bonuses to one level, what this will do is it will randomly rotate between them. So one day when a silver member logs in, they might get 7 banner impressions. And then tomorrow, their bonus might be 5 credits. So they'll get a random bonus. It will be a random surprise every day that they log in. And that covers the basics of the Daily Bonus plugin.